Pick your bag of food up. Throw it to the birdies.
Yeah.
Huh? Here they come. There's one right there. Throw some food. Not coming like they usually do. Here comes a birdie. See one over there? Here. Dump your bag. Dump the bag upside down. Dump it. Here, watch. Birdie's over here. Here, watch. Watch. Here they all are. Here they come. See? Here he comes. Let's back up and see if they'll get the food. You think they'll come and eat it? Come on, let's back up. Come over here. Is it hard for you to walk on? Huh? Come here. Oh, look, they're eating your food. See, look. Oh, come here, you see our shadows. It's hot. Bury your feet. I'm taking a horrible video. Here, let's go sit on the chair. Let's go sit on the chair. I'm getting a video of the sand. Come here. Come here. Look at your birdies. Come over here with Granny and sit. Come over here. Come on. You gotta walk, silly. Come on. You're not stuck. Come over here so your birdies will eat the food. Come on. Mary Elizabeth. Come on. Come on. Mary Elizabeth. Come here. Come on. Come here, Mary Elizabeth.